Good morning, students. So now again welcome to all of you in our first YouTube video. And now next we are going to start chapter number 4. Chapter name is linear equation in two variables. Okay. So in this chapter we will discuss two variables. That two variables are x and y. Okay. So this is in linear equation. Linear equation means degree of x is 1, degree of y is 1. Okay, that's why we call it linear equation. And first question is express each in this is equals to 0. This is a linear equation and you have to indicate the constants. Okay, suppose that your first question is this one. 2x plus 3y is equal to 9.35. Suppose that like this. Okay. So now firstly you have to come on one side. 2x 3y 9.35 bar is equal to 0. And in the next step compare ax plus by plus c equal to 0. Okay. It means a x coefficient, that is a is equals to 2. Y coefficient b b is equal to 3. This is constant. Now c is equals to 9.35 bar. Is it clear? And now in the next way, suppose that we have to take another example. Question number 2. 5 minus 5 is equal to 2x. Okay ji. So write that 2x minus 5 is equal to 0. Now compare again as this one. Compare ax plus by plus c equal to 0. X coefficient is a. It means a is equal to 2. Okay. But y coefficient is not present here. So b is 0. Okay. And c is constant. Minus 5. Is it clear? This is a comparison of linear equation and you people find out the values of constants a, b and c. Okay ji, this is another one question. Next one, suppose we have to find out the solution. Find the solutions. Suppose that if any one question is like that, write the 4 solutions. Write the 4 solutions of x plus 2y is equal to 3. Okay. So what is that solution? You have to give the values of one variable and you have to find out the value of another variable. Suppose that solution is like this. Put x is equal to 1. Okay. So now we will get 1 plus 2y is equal to 3. 2y is equal to 2. Y is equal to 1. Okay ji. Next put x is equal to 2. 2 plus 2y is equal to 3. 2y is equals to 3 minus 2. 1. Y is equals to 1 by 2. Okay. Next put x is equal to 3. If x is equal to 3, put here. 3 plus 2y is equal to 3. 3 minus 3 is 0. 2y is equals to 0. Y is equals to 0. Okay. Same as put x is equal to 4. Okay. Put x is equals to 4. So 4 plus 2y is equal to 3. 2y is equals to 3 minus 4. 2y is equal to minus 1. Y is equal to minus 1 by 2. So now write the solutions. Okay. How to write the solution? Solution is suppose that right here. Yes. Put x1. What is the value of y? 1. This is the solution. x2, y 1 by 2. x3, y 0. Okay, x 4, y is minus 1. These are the 4 solutions. This is the way to find the solutions. Okay ji. And next one is going to discuss yes, check 0 2 is a solution of x minus 2y is equal to 4. ठीक है. Now we will check कि 0 2 is a solution of this equation or not. So what you have to do? This is a value of x. This is a value of y. Okay. We will put the value of x here, and if y value is 2, okay, then it means this is a solution. But if this value not comes, then it means this is not a solution. So put x is equal to 0. X is equal to 0 means 0 minus 2y is equal to 4. Minus 2y is equal to 4. Okay. Y is equal to 4 by minus 2. Okay. So it means this is minus 2. Y is equal to minus 2. But what is the value of y? 2. Okay. It means 0 2 is not solution of equation. Is it okay, students? Only this method we should adopt to find out the solution. Okay ji, thank you so much.